guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the Apple Watch, and this is the Series 5 Apple Watch. So we're going to be doing two. So I've got here with me the stainless steel Series 5 45 ml. I've got that here with me, and I've also got the gold. Just take this off as well. I've got the stainless steel, gold stainless steel, and this is with a stone spot band. And for the 44 mm, I've got the black leather strap with it as well. So alright, let's get going. Let's get this open up. So let's start off first. Okay, let's start off with the gold. Let's see what's in it. So this is a Series 5 Apple Watch. Ooh, okay, nice. Start that with that. That's the strap, which is a stone. Open that up later. And well, that's the case. First part. And we get the second part. So there we go. That's that one. Okay. There we go. Designed by Apple in California. I wonder what this is. So on and so forth. Okay. And the watch itself. Oh, look at that. That's quite nice, actually. See that? Beautiful Alcantara type finish. And here we go. The watch. Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it? Okay. Take that off. Stick that there. Okay. There we go. And we've got the charger. And we've got the pin to get it plugged in. Okay, so I'll keep that aside. And I get the strap. Stone strap. Yeah, so we've got the which is quite good. So anytime you pick the straps, you get the medium and the large, you get the small, so you can choose. So for now, just stick with that. Stick with this one. Let's stick with that one. Okay, we'll keep the large for now. There you go. Very good. Well designed, actually. And take that off as well. So here we go. We got that now in place. So I need to figure out that goes in there. Slide in. And that goes in there. Slide in. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. That's so neat. And this stone strap is really good. A good combination with the gold stainless. So this is really good. Yeah. So keep that one side. And see if we can get the stainless to open. The leather strap. Black leather strap. So see how well that goes, the combo. Open up, you open up. Whoa, okay. And there you go. Beautiful. See that? How that color, different color to. Don't know if you could see the colors, but that's the really good. Apple, well done. That's good. See what that looks like inside. And there you go. Now that's the stainless steel. This looks really nice. Quite a good piece as well. Look at that. So take that off. Stick that in there. And same manual case, the phone with the charger, and the power case as well. So I'll keep that aside. And we'll get the strap open now. See? Voila. Now this comes with just one set of straps. So it's not combined like that one. You have both. Let's just take that aside, and that will go. Let's go this way. Yep. Long way around. Get that way in, and there you go. So that's the two. So that's that one looks like, and that looks like this. So that's what this looks like. It's quite good, isn't it, with the silver finish? Yeah. Good with the silver finish. And this is the stone with gold finish. And you can see also details here. If you can just make that out, the sizes, and here, so if you go to the store, you can see the sizes on the straps to let you know. So this is the Series 5, and yeah, and that doesn't tell you on here, but if it does, make sure it's a bit faint, and same here was a bit faint because of the design of the voila. Absolutely beautiful and seamless to fit. And that's just the magnet there, and that just slips. You can make it tight, loose if you want, and there you go. Looks really good, eh? So if you have a smaller wrist, that goes there, and then that fits in. Of course, that's not for me, more suited for a lady. So yeah, so that's what you have. Absolutely brilliant. So let's turn this on and see what it. So this is my first, and this is the first time I'm actually handling an Apple Watch. So there you go. And turn that one on as well. There you go. Okay, so wait for it to load up. So I've got both watches on now, and that just comes on saying bring iPhone near Apple Watch. I just place the phone on the charger, and there you go, charging. And that one, put it on, it says low battery for now, so put it on the charger. Voila, and they're both charging. Okay, so this is me now with my phone trying to get it close to the Apple Watch to see if I can get it set up. So if I go to Apple Watch, there you go, Apple Watch, and I go start the pairing. So I'm going to use so this one, I'm just going to pair only just one of them. So why that one charges. It's like when you want to pair, that comes on screen. Interesting, isn't it? That that starts to happen once you get the phone close. So put your, it says that, put your Apple Watch and hold it up the camera. So your Apple Watch is paired. That's amazing. Look at that. Then I go set up, and it then says to me, on which wrist would you like to wear your watch? I say left.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm tryna put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion fall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.